welcome from Dynamics Resources. As many of you know, we are a Microsoft partner and a value-added reseller specializing exclusively in Dynamics AX. My name is Lana and I'm a CIO of this organization. Regardless of whether you are in the middle of a brand new Dynamics AX implementation, planning an upgrade, or further customizing your Exapta environment, training is a vital component of the process. So we're commencing a series of Dynamics AX training videos. Please enjoy our first training session, presented by our very own Dynamics AX functional expert, Javier. Please do let us know if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments by emailing us. We look forward to hearing from you, and please don't forget to leave the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope everybody has a great day.
Hi, this is Javier, and today I'm going to show you how we can create a new security role in Dynamics AX 2012. First, we need to go to the System Administration model and go through the Setup, Security roles. Okay. Here I can find all the default roles that the system has. Now we need to create a new one with new bottom. The first thing is assign a name to this new role. So we're going to set a name as a new role 1. Okay. In this way we can add a description or just save it. Okay. Now our security role is created, but we need to put some duties and privileges there. So to do that, we are going to close this window, and then we need to open the security privileges. Okay, here we are going to open conversion cycle. Okay, and here we need to select conversion cycle and create a new duty. This is gonna be, we need to select a new name for this duty. It's gonna be new role 1 duty. Okay, once we create that, we can see that our new duty is in here. We need to select our duty. Okay, and then we need to make a right click and add a new privilege to this duty. The same things happen. I cannot type a name in the AOT name, so I'm going to select the name field, and here I'm going to put a new name, new role 1 privilege. Once I did that, I select again my duty and come back just to refreshing my privilege, and now I have the add button in the privilege, so I can click on add, and then I have 3 options. The first one is reach client. Here is where we can see the entire AX models. So in this way, we can assign permissions going through a specific route in Dynamics AX. In this example, we are going to give permissions to this user about reports for procurement and sourcing model. So we need to go to this model, procurement and sourcing, then click on reports part. Okay, and I want to create privilege for the transactions reports. So I need to click on the specific report and give them full control, purchase receiving law, full control, maybe the status, I want to see accurate purchase, so I'm gonna click on full control. Open PO lines, I'm gonna give them full control. Open POs by line, open POs by vendors. Okay, so in this way, all that we need is to know to which part of the system we want to give privilege for this role. Once we did that, we can close this. And maybe I want to see some kind of reports in inventory management. For example, the transactions report in inventory management. So I want to see this. And we just need to select all the reports where we want to create the access and the access level. In this scenario, I'm just selecting full control for all these reports. Okay, once we did that, we can close this, and now my privilege has all the menu items where we can access by this new privilege. Once we did that, we can close, and we can go back to our security role. Okay, remember that we put some kind of new role 1, and now I need to add the content to this role. So I'm going to select again my conversion cycle, and here it's supposed to be my new role duty. So I select my new duty and my new privilege, then I click close, and that's all. I need to click close here, and now we are going to assign this role and privilege to a specific users. In this case, we're going to use the AX test 1, and we're going to assign the roles, and the role is called new role 1. I'm going to click OK, and this is it. Now I have another session with that user. I'm going to make double click, and now I'm opening a session from the user AX test 1. So we need to see just two models: procurement and sourcing and inventory management. And in procurement and sourcing, we're just going to see accurate purchases, open purchase, purchase agreements, purchase receiving log. I'm just seeing the reports that I set in my new role and my new privilege. So this time, this is all. This is how we can create a new set of permissions in Dynamics AX 2012. Thank you for your time, and see you next time.